All right, so we're going to have some fun in this video, and the big question we're going to try to tackle, I'm going to come at this from different angles, give you my thoughts, my opinions. By the way, that's all they are, thoughts and opinions. I am not a financial advisor. Do not take my opinions as financial advice because I'm just a talking head on YouTube. But I think we could start to unpack some of this because I think it's an interesting debate. Would you rather, right now, hold one Bitcoin, or would you rather hold 100,000 ADA Cardano? That's the question. So as we roll along, drop your thoughts, what you would rather hold, in the comment section below. Also, smash the like button right now. I mean, right now, because we're here every single day, putting out content in the bear market, coming up with interesting concepts like this. Now, there's a reason why I did it this way. Because one Bitcoin is currently worth $25,900 at the time of this recording. 100,000 Cardano, currently worth $25,400. So they are essentially worth the same thing right now. $25,000 could get you one Bitcoin. $25,000 can get you 100,000 Cardano. So what would you rather have? Now, if we take a look real quick, Bitcoin obviously number 1 in market cap. Cardano is number 7. Both large market caps. Bitcoin obviously way bigger, 503 billion versus 9 billion. Now, I say all this to say there's more risk associated with Cardano, no question. However, there's also way more upside because we're only talking about a $9 billion market cap versus a $503 billion market cap, meaning you would think Cardano could do more X's in the next bull cycle. And by the way, we're assuming that your average cost is right around here. Like if you were to buy, $25K worth of Cardano today or one Bitcoin today. Obviously, things can change depending on where your average cost is, right? I'm just saying, like, what looks better? What would I rather do? Well, I'll tell you this full disclosure. I do have 100,000 Cardano, and I do own a few Bitcoins that I've acquired over the last few years. I've been buying Bitcoin every single day, slowly but surely, and I've acquired a few. So I'm in a position already where I've got exposure to both. Very lucky in that regard that I was able to do that. Now with Cardano, if you set our price target, let's just say at $3, okay? $3 price target. We're talking about an 11x from here. Now, we say that because Cardano at $3, very, very feasible, one would think, right? Considering the all-time high is $3.10. So just getting back to near all-time highs, you're talking about an 11x. Can Bitcoin really do that? Getting back to near all-time highs is just a 171% move, right? An 11x for Bitcoin, you're looking at a price of $258,000. That's a 10x. So what's going to happen first? Cardano to $3 or Bitcoin to $258,000? Probably Cardano back to $3, right? And even if we look at Cardano just in terms of, where it could go, let's just say it can go to $5 next cycle. That's a 19x, guys. So that means Bitcoin would have to 20x from here, $500,000 to top a next cycle. I don't think that's feasible as Cardano going to $5. So in my opinion, given that I already am buying Bitcoin every single day and I have exposure, and Bitcoin and Ethereum, by the way, are the backbones of my portfolio, in this example, I would rather have the 100,000 Cardano over one Bitcoin. In this example, given my portfolio, given that I also have stocks, if I'm just starting out, it might be a little bit different. I like to really build up a nice backbone in Bitcoin and Ethereum before I really start going hunting into altcoins. That's just my opinion. Because what happens is altcoin season, when it goes down, you can get really rattled and you could panic sell. But when you have Bitcoin and Ethereum, it allows you to have that backbone in your portfolio, in my opinion, that gives you the ability to sleep at night and hang in there during the bear markets. So hopefully this video is interesting. Hopefully it added some value. And again, drop your thoughts down below. Would you rather have 100,000 Cardano today or one Bitcoin today and why do you feel the way you do? Don't forget to smash that like button as well. Appreciate you guys as always. We'll see you in the next video. Peace out.